Hi, I am Preeti. In this video, I am going to explain about coordinate geometry. This is chapter 7. So, in coordinate geometry, generally we are uh, defining a point. So, what is point that I will explain you. But in this coordinate geometry, we have two axes, x-axis and y-axis. So, to display any point, we need two axes, x and y. And this side is x dash and this side is y dash. Okay? And where they are meeting, this is called origin. Okay? And from this origin, the right side of x is positive, this side is positive, and the left side, the value of x is negative. Same for y also. From origin, the value of y above the origin is positive and down is negative. Okay, that means ki this is, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this side it will be -1, -2 and so on. Same for y also, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this side it will be -1, -2 and so on. And that coordinates of origin is 0, 0. Because this, in this point, x is 0 and y is also 0. Okay. So if someone will say where is the point 0, 0, so this is the point, means origin. If we have to define 3, 2. So first one will be always x and second one is always y. So where is 3? On the x-axis, 1, 2, 3. So here. And where is y? Y is 2. So 2. So where is the point 3, 2? So we have to draw like that. And this is the point of 3, 2. Okay. And also on the x-axis, y value is 0. That means what is the coordinates of this point? So what is the x value? 3. And on x-axis, value of y is 0. So this is 3, 0. Same for y also. On y-axis, value of x is 0. That means if you have to find the point of this point, so what is the value of x? 0. What is the value of y? 4. So the coordinates of this point is 0, 4. Okay. So this is all about coordinate geometry. And there is one formula to find the distance of 2 points. So what is the formula? Distance equals to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the distance formula. So what is x2, what is x1, what is y2, what is y1? So these are the points of this x, like x2 is, we have 1 point, they like 2, 4, and we have point 1, this is point 2, we have, let's say, 3, 5. Okay. So this will be x1 and this will be y1, and this for point 2, this will be x2 and this will be y2. Okay. So now you understood what is x2, what is x1, what is y2, what is y1. So we have 2 points, let's say this and this, and we have to find the distance between these 2 points. So we will use this formula. We can make anyone as 0.1, we can make anyone as 0.2, but the formula will be this. Or we can also write as distance equals to root under x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Why? because we know minus 1 square is equals to plus 1 or 1. Okay, so if we will take common from this brackets, means minus will come out. Let's see, I will solve it. So root under, I will take common minus 1. Okay, so this is plus x2, so it will become minus x2. This is minus x1, so it will become plus x1, correct? Whole square. Plus same thing for this also, minus 1 I am taking common. So this is minus y2 plus y1 whole square, correct? This is also minus 1 is also in bracket, right? Yeah. So we know minus 1 square equals to plus 1 or 1, right? So this will, we can ignore and we can just write x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square under, correct? That means we can write either this way or this way. It's up to your wish, but generally we are writing this. Okay, now let's see exercise 7.1. Okay, question number 1. Find the distance between the following pairs of points. We have 2 points, 2, 3 and 4, 1. Okay, so we have to find the distance between these 2 points. So we have to use this formula because we have to find the distance. So we can make it as x1, this is x2, sorry, y1, this is x2 and this is y2. Okay, so as we know, distance equals to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, so what is x2? x2 is 4, 4 minus, what is x1? x1 is 2 whole square plus, what is y2? y2 is 1, yes, and what is y1? y1 is 3. So we have to calculate this. Okay, so 4 minus 2 is 2 square plus 1 minus 3 is minus 2 square, correct? Okay, so 2 square is 4 and plus minus 2 square is also 4. Why? Because minus square is plus, so 2 square is 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8. So under root 8. So what is under root 8? Let's see how we can simplify this. 8, 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, correct? So instead of 8, can we write 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, correct? So here 1 pair and 1 extra. So this 1 will come out, okay? So 2 root 2, right? So this is the distance of these 2 points. Okay, now the second one. What are the points for second? Minus 5, 7 and minus 1, 3. Okay, so first we will write distance formula. Root under x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, now what is x2? This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Okay, so what is x2? x2 is minus 1 minus what is x1? x1 is minus 5. So in the bracket we can write minus 5. Okay, so this whole square plus y2 is 3 and minus y1 is 7 whole square and then under root. Okay, now minus 1 and this minus, what is 5 square? 5 square is 25. and minus, this minus will become plus because minus square is plus. So this, sorry, this first, this is the main bracket. Wait, root under minus 1, and this is minus minus plus 5, and then whole square. This is the main square and this is the small square. So minus minus this plus 5 plus, what is 3 minus 7? 3 minus 7 is minus 4. Correct? And then a square. Now minus 1 plus 5 is 4 square. Correct? Plus again here also 4 square. Correct? So 4 square is 16 plus 16. Correct? That means 32. Correct? So how we will calculate 32? 2, 16 2 ja 32, 8 2 ja 16, 2 4 ja 8, and 2 2 ja 4. Correct? So instead of 32, can we write 1 pair and then 2 pair? So 2 square into 2 square into 2. Right? So this 1 will come out. This also 1 will come out. So 2 into 2 and then root 2. Correct? That means 4 root 2. So this is the distance between these 2 points. Okay? Now the third one. A, B and minus A minus B. Correct? For that also same thing. Distance equals to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Correct? Now this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. Okay? So what is x2? Minus 1 minus x1 is a whole square plus what is y2? Minus b minus y1 is also b whole square. Correct? And then under root. Now minus a means what? Minus 2a. Right? Whole square plus this is also minus 2b whole square. Right? Now what is minus 2a whole square is 2 2 ja 4 means 4a square. Correct? And this minus will become plus. Plus this also same 4b square. Right? That means 4, we can take 4 common from both a square and b square. So this is a square and this is plus b square. So this 4, that means 2 square. So 1 2 will come out. Correct? So 2 root under a square plus b square. Correct? Any doubt in this? Hope it's clear for you. Now question number 2. What is question number 2? Find the distance between the points. 2 points are given, 0 0 and 36 15. Okay, so this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Okay, so distance equals to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Correct? Now what is x2? x2 is 36 minus 0 whole square plus y2 is 15 minus 0 whole square. Correct? Now 36 minus 0 is 36 square plus 15 minus 0 is 15 square. Correct? So 36 square is 1296. Okay, so you can multiply 36 into 36. Okay, So I just wrote 1296 plus 15 square is 225. Okay, just plus it. So 6 5 11 2 5 and then 1 means 1521. And this is for 1521 we can write this is 39 square. If you don't know this is 39 square, you can calculate this. So if this is 39 square, so we can write 39. That means the distance between these 2 points is 39. Okay, and how we can calculate root under 1521 is 39. Okay, so for that there is one trick. 1521. Okay, so we have to make in pair from the right side. So one pair is here, one pair is here, and then we have to square any number and make it less than 15 or 15. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 6, 4 4s are 3 3s are 9 and 4 4s are 16. So 16 is greater than 15. So we have to take 3. So 3 3s are 9. So 9 is here, means 3 times we took. 3 is here. Then 15 minus 9 is 6. So 621. And here we have to sum this and this. So 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay. Now we have to take one number here, same number here. Okay. Like if we will calculate 61 here, then 61 1ja, it should become either equals to this or less than this. So if we will take 69, if we will do 69 multiply 69, 9 9 ja 81, 9 6 ja 54 and then 8 62, correct? So we know 69 multiplied by 9 equals to 621, correct? That means this 9 will come here. That means this is the, if we will do 39 square, so it will become 1521. That means root under 1521 is equals to 39. Okay. And one more thing is written here. Can you now find the distance between the two towns A and B discussed in section 7.2? If we will see in section 7.2, let me see section 7.2. Yes, in this section 7.2 there is same question, not this side. So this is 36 kilometer, this is 15 kilometer, and this is A, this is B. Okay, and this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Okay, so if it is x-axis and this is y-axis, and where they meet the coordinates is 0 0, right? So this is 0 0. Since this is x-axis, correct, and the value this is 15, that, and this is 36, the distance is this 36. So what will be the point here? First x value, so x is 36, and what is the y value on x-axis? 0. So the coordinates of this point is 36, 0, and the coordinates of B is what? See, this is 15. Okay, so here first x-axis, the x value is 36 and y value is this 15, right? So we have to find out the difference between A and B. So these 2 points difference we have to find out. So what are the points of A? A is 0 0 and B is 36 and 15. Correct? That means they are talking about same points, 0 0 and 36 15, same, right? That means this is the answer. The distance between these 2 points means A and B is 39. Okay? Any doubt in this? I don't think so. If you have any doubt, you can just write your comment in the comment section. Also, like my video. Thanks for watching. Thank you.